In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the password from your Zoom meetings. We know that simplicity is key, and sometimes having a password might not be necessary for all meetings. Whether it's for a quick catch-up with your team or an informal meeting, eliminating the need for a password can make joining the meeting a little smoother for everyone involved. So let's walk through the easy steps to make that happen. First things first, go ahead and open your Zoom application and sign into your account. This doesn't take long, but it's essential that you're logged in with the correct account that has the privileges to make these changes. Once you're signed in, the next step is to navigate to the Meetings tab. This is where all your scheduled meetings are listed, and from here you can access details about each one. Now look through your list of upcoming meetings and select the one you'd like to edit. After you've found the meeting you want to change, click on it to view the meeting details. On the screen showing the meeting's information, you'll notice an Edit option. Go ahead and click Edit. This functionality allows you to make changes to various aspects of your meeting. Once you're in the editing menu, scroll down a little until you reach the Security section. This section is crucial as it encompasses all of the security features currently set up for your meeting. Within this area, you'll see an option for passcode. Simply uncheck this box to disable the passcode requirement for attendees. Keep in mind that unchecking this option will make it easier for anyone with the link to join your meeting, so ensure that this change aligns with your security expectations. Finally, after you've unchecked the passcode option, the last step is to click Save. This action will apply the changes to your meeting settings, and you're all set. The next time someone joins that particular meeting, they won't need to enter a password. It's as easy as that. With just a few clicks, you can streamline the entry process for your Zoom meetings by removing the passcode requirement. By doing this, you're making it a bit more convenient for participants to join, but remember to always consider your specific needs for meeting security. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks.